Guided spiritual path. My brother and sisters, when one ponders on the characteristics and the lives of the prophets, we find that all of them went through calamities and tests and trials. You know, Yusuf alayhi salam, when he sees the dream and he knows that his father tells him that your brothers are going to plot against you and his family may abandon him, he might go through domestic violence. He tells his dream to his father, and his father Yaqub alayhi salam does not know what his son's fate is. And he is messenger of Allah, Yaqub alayhi salam, Jacob. He says to him, son, don't tell your dream to your brothers, otherwise they will plot a terrible plot against you. And in the end of the verse, Yaqub alayhi salam says to his son, Inna rabbaka alimun hakim. Your Lord is ever so knowing and he is ever so wise. Brothers and sisters, when we recite this verse, we pass it very quickly. But every word that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala states in Quran has a tremendous and deep meaning. That is why pondering on the Quran is extremely crucial. And when we read it again and again, the meaning starts to mean even deeper when we concentrate. He says 3 words or 4 words, Inna rabbaka alimun hakim. In other words, O Yusuf, my son, I don't know what's your fate. I don't know what's in store for you. I don't know how to interpret this dream for you. But this is something that I do know. Your Lord, who's your caretaker and your guardian, He's ever so knowing. He knows the past, the present, and the future. He knows what's in store for you. Hakim, meaning that He's wise. In Arabic, when you say hikmah, it means to know where everything belongs. Allah knows where to put things in their right place. In other words, Yaqub alayhi salam is telling his son, son, right now you don't know, but there is no need to worry or to make conclusions. You may go through hardships, but always remember that Allah is with you all the way. He knows exactly what is going to happen, and if you rely on Him truly, He will know where to place everything in the right place.